Welcome to the demo of GPT videos. So you just have to enter keyword. GPT videos will give you ideas, suggestion. It will write script for you. It will add images, videos, animation, voiceover, music to your video, and it will create pro quality video in over 90 language in just few seconds. Now let me show you. Inside GPT videos dashboard, you can create videos using 4-way, using AI, just entering keyword from URL, from your website, from templates, or from scratch. Let's just create video from AI. Let's just enter email marketing. You can see it has generated so many ideas and titles: how to create effective email marketing strategy, tips for writing engaging email copy, benefits, best practices. So let's just select the number 1 here. You can see so many scenes are generated. If you don't like any scene, you can just click on delete. It will be deleted. You can just click on go to storyboard. Out of these templates style, let's just select this one. Now we're inside main canvas area. Let's just rename our project to email marketing. Save. You can see so many templates here. There are so many layers here, but we just want to click and show you how fast we can create our video. So let's just click on publish, and we have timestamp here. Click next. You want to add any video? No. Next. You want to add any music? Yes, we can add abstract style. You can also add voiceover, upload video. You can have a preview here, change the volume, click next, render project. So you see just one keyword and click, click, click. Our project is done, and it will be visible here within few seconds. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's just click on download and let's play this video. You saw how simple, effective, quality video this is. Let's just create more videos for you. Let's click on AI. Let's type football. Next. You see we have generated so many video and titles. Let's select how to improve your football skills. We have scenes here. You can click on go to storyboard. Select template. We're inside main canvas area. Let's just change the name to football and save. Here you have all the scenes. If you want to delete any scenes, you can delete any scenes. You can add, you can do so much things. We will show you immediately. You can publish as a web story, but right now we just want to show you how fast you can create video. So let's click on publish. Next. Let's just add voiceover this time. Select voice, Joanna. You can see the preview. Send for voiceover. Render project. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's just click on download and let's play it.
Practice proper form and technique when tackling and throwing. Develop good ball control with drills such as juggling and passing. Work on improving your vision by focusing on the field and players around you. Videos and by visualizing success.
You see, again, simple video immediately within seconds. Just click, 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 and video is ready. Now let's create one more video. Let's try organic farming. Next. You see we have so many titles: benefits, different type, how to get started, basic, challenges, economics. Let's try benefits of organic farming. We have scenes here. Let's click on go to storyboard. Let's select template, this one. Let's change the name of the project to organic farming. Save. Now here you have so many templates. If you don't like any templates, you can just click on any of these templates and it will come. Let's say we click on this. Okay, you see in just one click. You want more scenes, you click on this. Okay, it will be visible here. You see it's that simple. These are all page templates here. If you want to upload your own video, audio, images, you can do it from here. Okay, now if you want third-party media, if you want to search, let's say you want royalty-free stock videos, images, you just click here and you will get all the results here. You will get videos, images, GIF, stickers easily. Okay, and here you will go to text. You will see variety of text with different styles, different fonts. We have it all here. Okay, you just click on anything, it will come here in just 1 second. Okay, you click, it will be here, and then you can play around with the layout, with the text, the font, weight, size, line, color. Okay, the animations. the limits, there is no limits at all. Okay, you can have different animations here, and you can of course have shapes and stickers as well. In layer, you see there's a layer like you have in Adobe Photoshop, okay, After Effects as well. So you can play with the layers as well. The scenes, if you want to delete any scenes, you can just delete any scenes. Okay, you want to copy, you can copy, you can add new scenes, you can play, you can preview here. It's that easy. Okay, and at last you just click on save, you click on publish, you click next. These are timestamps. If you want to upload any video, you can click next. You can again upload your audio, voiceover, music, or nothing. Let's just add some music to it. You can preview music here and click next, render project. Voila, our video is ready in just a few seconds. Let's click on download. Let's play it from here. You see such a beautiful video in just few seconds, just one keyword and click, 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 it was ready. Okay, now let's just create one more video, the last video using AI, how to grow YouTube channel. So you have so many ideas here, 7 tips to grow YouTube channel. Let's click on this. Okay, we have scenes, click on storyboard. You can select the template style. If you don't want to do any change, let's click on publish. We have timestamp, click next, next. Voiceover, yes. Let's select the voice. Let's say Joy. Let's preview this. Let's send for voiceover. Click on render project. Okay, so by the time we have our YouTube video ready, let's click on from URL and let's try to create a video from one of our website. This is my video player. It's like Vimeo and Vistia. Okay, so let's just try to make a simple video of our website, getvideo.com. Let's just enter a URL here, click next. So it has fetched all the content from our website. Let's click on auto summarize. The AI will do it for us. Okay, so our scenes are ready. If I want to edit, I can just edit. I can just click anywhere and just remove things. That's it from here. I can delete any scene if I want. Let's click on go to storyboard. Again, select the template. So we're inside canvas area. Let's just click on video, save, let's publish, next, next, music, yes, why not, abstract style, next, done. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's click on download. You saw simple video once again. Now the fourth option is you create from scratch. You give testing 1 2 3 4 5, click next, and you have canvas, blank canvas. You can select any template you want from here. Let's say you see so many beautiful templates here. You click on this, again this scene, and you can have this one as well. You can have any template you want. You can just click. You can change the particular element easily in just one click. You can change the image. You can add images, videos on that. The possibilities are endless, literally endless. You see, that's how powerful GPT videos is. So use it in your business, and like I told you, so use it in your business. Just to summarize once again, you can transform any idea to video in just 3 simple steps. You either create video using AI, using keyword, or turn your website pages, your website into videos like I showed to you. You can select from 150 templates, or you can start from blank canvas. You just have to customize it with drag and drop editor on canvas. You have millions of stock videos, images, 500 plus fonts, animation, music, shapes, icon and much more, the layering system, you saw it all. And you just click on publish, your video will be exported as MP4. You can copy, duplicate, customize your project, and you can sell these videos to your client to make maximum profits. That's GPT videos for you guys. Thank you.